Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to check keywords in a text entry field using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline 360. First, open your project in Articulate Storyline 360 and navigate to the text entry slide. Next, create a new variable. In Slide View, click the Variables button next to Group. When the Variables window opens, click the plus icon to create a new variable. Name the variable Answer. Set the type to true or false. Set the default value to false, then click OK. Next, open the Triggers panel and click Create a new trigger. Set the action to execute JavaScript. Choose when user clicks and select the Submit button as the object. Next, open the JavaScript editor, paste your script, and click OK. Ensure that the keywords are stored in variables, and make sure you reference the variable you created in the Set Variable section. Now, create a new layer and add the correct answer or feedback. Then create another trigger on the base layer to show the answer layer when the variable changes and select the variable answer. Click OK and preview the slide. If the user's response does not contain the specified keywords, the variable will not change. If the response includes the keywords, the variable will update accordingly. And that's it. You have learned how to validate keywords in a text entry field using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline 360. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.